Morning family, morning. Blessed Sunday morning to you all. Welcome to another great adventure. Happy Father's Day to all the real fathers. All who get the youth see me, when our father, because the father some kids. So bless up on yourself. Welcome back to our next great video. Yeah man, we're there man. Caribbean Vibes cooking vlog. We're out once more again. Bless up on yourself. We're there. Just a ride with the people, you know?
Yeah guys, welcome back. God be the glory, great things you have done. Feels good. Back in front of the screen again, my people, so we'll just take a little break based up off of personal things. You know, nothing serious, nothing major. We just decided to take a break just to get certain things put in place. The way how a dog not even used to the camera again. The man not even know how to hold the camera, man and know how to turn on the camera. So we are show out this morning and we are say happy Father's Day to all the amazing father. Keep on doing it. Oh no, happy Father's Day, brother dog.
Yeah,
happy Father's Day, China man. Happy Father's Day, brother Junior. Yeah, God bless you.
Party ball same way.
Yeah man, happy Father's Day.
Yeah man, the whole works man.
Yeah, so we are head out right at first crossing the roadside there, so you know, so some barbecue pork bone today with some boiled food, dashing sweet potato. Yeah man. Coconut come like a young dog, like it's 4.
And you carry 2 ways. Which one the biggest one? What is it?
So, spoil.
Ready or no?
Yeah, baptism done. Yeah, some coconut dumpling.
How are you going to do? Big?
Ask people on the camera.
How no one to guys.
So here we are get the pork bone cut up. And my house is a barbecue pork bone and some coconut dumpling, real coconut dumpling. Yellow yam, sweet potato and banana. Wow, we get the ball kick off you know. Get the pork bone clean up. I say, barbecue pork bone for days. Also not for days, only for today. Oh. Barbecue pork bone for Father's Day dinner. Yeah. Coconut dumpling. And some good old hard food, banana, sweet potato and yam. That's in. On the Sunday. Can't wait to get tonight. Oh my world. I always say pork bone, just pork bone, I don't understand. Pork bone have bone and they have meat. So yeah, we get the seasoning cut up the season with barbecue pork. Cut up some scallion. Cut up our onion. Right, good though. Oh, I cut up our onion. garlic. we don't cut up them, we go strain off the excess water off the pork. And get the ball started. Pork seasoning. You add some pork season. A little garlic powder. A little Maggi all purpose. We're going to add some barbecue season on the pork. Add a little black pepper. We're going to add a little soy sauce. And a little browning. Some chopped garlic. And pepper. And onion. And some scallion. So we're already in the gong season. Sharp one. Yeah. What look like you can't eat already, you know, boy. I'm not gone on the fire yet. Eh? Oh my word. Can't wait.
Yeah, my people, so some coconut dumpling. So we grate our coconut and we add the flour in the coconut. So we're just mixing it around to formulate the dough. So even when we mix in the flour with the coconut, the flour go suck up the juice from the coconut. So what we do now, we squeeze some of the coconut. So we use the milk now. We use the milk
instead of the water.
Yeah.
So everything connect, coconut connect.
Yeah. No, like it I got enough though, because whenever they have it in mind for use so many of the flour, you know. But dog say mix out everything. Cabak some go give some of my fathers them today. So
Yeah.
Chris just dip on the girl in them so today.
Chris, what you say?
And the girl in them too. We can't lift them out.
Oh, yeah, we have to big them up, man.
We are big them.
Yes, yeah, because they're my father.
They're my
They
father.
take care of it the same way.
Right.
I want enough for them.
I want enough for them.
Yes, man.
Yeah. Thing I come along. And this a Caribbean vibes. We are making the coconut dumpling. You know, everybody do with it different.
Yeah.
Chrissy and dog can't have so much flour, man. You, as you eat one dumpling, your boss.
And I cook that dumpling with all of them.
So you say? Well, I know I'm more than two.
You get any dumpling in my pot, you know? I know what kind of small dumpling them boy I make, but I can't do me one for myself, you know, so I share them here.
The man flour that them.
3 big flour. I want to tell you, I look a baby flour there. One big dumpling in my plate.
You know, one of them big flour then.
Yeah. Share them. Alright, finally make my dumpling them. I put in them now. Yeah, put that dumpling to little and neat. Yeah, peeps dumpling now boil up, see there. When I baby dumpling them, you know, cartwheel, we say today, you know, cartwheel. Today, Father's Day, so we have some cartwheel with barbecue pork Boy, you get in the yam in the pot now. Add in the yam. And the shrimp because them kind of hard to cook so. And them like hot cook, we add in the sweet potato and the banana. That's stir now. Watch coconut dumpling that float on top. Boy, can't wait.
Man, what a heat.
Blaze.
Level it in our pot and give it a stir to prevent it from stick. And then cover it, make it produce liquid. No, wash me. Look at me, see Chrissy. You stay there, see wash there. See wash up. No, I want to wash. You wash this already, but no wash the body.
Cross over that big side. Tell me, watch your road for me. I tell you, watch your road for me. I've come over this side there.
Honey barbecue in here. So a bit of flavor, you know. Just stir, add a little bit more. Sweet honey barbecue, say pork should have a sweet taste to it. Yes, man. We see in the pot. I start by adding in some fresh thyme, scallion, Irish potato, tomato. We also adding in some Scotch bonnet pepper. Give it a little flare of pepper. So I got to allow the vegetables to be cooked, and then the pot ready. Yeah. Sheep come ashore. You want a dumpling or Chris?
Hey boy, don't rub the floor. Hey boy, put it in my plate, yo. Put two of them in there. I put on one and time, eat and come again.
I give you 2 big dumplings, them, brother.
Boy, could they peeps?
Crave man style, that, you know.
No, man, I can't do it for we do it.
Yes,
When I put them a little dumpling in your mouth and one bite and you swallow. Yeah.
Banana, they soft, boy.
I tell them I feel like say I jump me and make.
You want sweet potato to that?
Take me one little piece. This is yam smell.
I know if your plate can't hold nothing more yet, brother. Hold on.
Our next rounds.
2 dumplings for me, that's good. It's a sweet potato, my favorite ground provision. Sweet potato. A little piece of banana. That's it for today. Yeah. That's the your plate just can't hold the big old ugly dumpling.
See good part I show you. See that lead part. Oh my word, look at my plate, look pretty man. Boy.
Boy, you turn me in a one pork eater.
I think it's the best man.
So then what me fi eat? You mad? You ever see lion a eat grass?
Oh, that me ask somebody the other day.
Yeah? Right now me I'll load up all my plate because once in a while when me vlog about pork, me eat pork.
Oh.
You ever see lion a eat grass?
That one more lean night.
Hold on, dog plate can't hold nothing more fishy.
That's the second one there.
Yeah.
I'm going to that there. Only up there. Keep the fire blazing.
Man. Barbecue pork bone. Tastes real good on the banana.
Oh,
So,
nice.
Man. But I love me eat me dinner now, man.
I wish someone anyway I was watching channel could have really experienced the food. We not exaggerate but not tell you. The food prepared good. The pork bone seasoned good. The banana dumpling, not tasty but me.
A coconut dumpling.
Sorry. The coconut dumpling. Sorry, even though I not taste it, I know say it tastes good. I not ask. But guys, it's really nice. Big up.
Food mad him already. That he not even know say a coconut dumpling.
Yes, sir. Yeah,
Man,
really active.
you not eat no food to them, Rasta.
Oh, yeah, go on.
You not eat no food to them.
Yeah, go on. Run the camera, you know?
Man. Barbecue pork bone. Yeah man, you see it man. Nice!
I am right here.
Man. Yeah man, we are going to allow him to eat my people.
Thieves, watch out. Oh my word. No, sir.
Barbecue pork bone bad. Eh?
Hold on. May I tell you, peeps, I don't want you to believe, say, when we attack are foolishness. We don't like when you come experience what we attack about. I know a lot of people come and experience and see what we attack about. Say, Caribbean Vibes Cooking Vlog team, we always done it, man. We always do it, man. Yeah, man. Yes, please, thank you very nice, you know. You have to do it twice, no? Tell her. Coconut dumpling. Yeah. Barbecue pork bone. Oh my word. Barbecue pork, coconut dumpling, yellow yam, banana, and sweet potato. Oh my word. You need to try this, man. You need to be there. By talking, you don't need to be there. You just need to be there to taste the great and the good cooking of Caribbean Vibes team. I don't know what you know. Like, share, and comments. To the big band.
Sweat out that dumpling, watch it.
Caramel dumpling. Coconut dumpling.
Caramel dumpling, man.
Coconut dumpling. Barbecue pork. Yeah, man. Just like and share and subscribe to Caribbean Vibes Cooking Vlog. Soon in the next video. Boom.
Hold them, Miss Chrissy, take time. Miss Chrissy, I go hard today.